Hey guys, this is why basements with fluorescent lights are much better. Yeah. Before I had these fluorescent lights right here, there was a light right here where this box is, but it was too gloomy in here. It was too dark in here. So it was originally a light in here, but originally just like one of those regular old lights right here, like this, except it did not have the pull chain. But it was too dark without these fluorescent lights. This is why you should have fluorescent lights in your basement. Because if I had my tester, because back when I was a kid, in 2007, in 2008 when we moved in, and I couldn't go in here, but now when I moved every fan to the basement, I could go in here. But before, there was a light right here, but that got removed and put my test rig here. But here's where the fan is I filmed. But a light here. But if I still had my test rig and I had still the old lights and no fluorescent lights, it would not be good, because filming with just like filming with like these type of lights right here, it's just too dark. So that's why it's a better idea to have fluorescent lights in your basement. Like the kid cave does not have fluorescent lights, and it's kind of dark without fluorescent lights. See, it's kind of dark in here, so you can hear the family or the TV upstairs. It's too dark. It's kind of dark in here without fluorescent lights. But this part has fluorescent lights, like with this. This is why it's a better idea to have fluorescent lights in your basement. Like if I turn this light on, this light on, and this light on, this light on, and I turn the fluorescent lights off. And I had my test, I turned this light off right here. And that fluorescent light was still, that original, no, I turned that light off. And those original, like, closet lights that's still there. It would not be good camera. Not good filming. Because it would be too dark in here. And it was kind of scary if I had my test rig here and I had no fluorescent lights. This is why it's a better idea to have these brighter fluorescent lights in your basement. This is whoa! This light switch, dining room light, test rig. Only does that. I spiderweb my face. This is why it's scary without fluorescent lights. I have dust everywhere. This is why you need to have fluorescent lights in this basement, in your basement. It's a better idea. Because, see? It's much better to have fluorescent lights in your basement much better filming and much better camera light. With the old lights, it kind of looks kind of ugly. But fluorescent lights are better filming light in your basement. Filming light. I'm gonna turn these off. Although that light has CFL, and that light has a CFL, and that light over the burn over that where the AC is has a CFL. This is why it's better to have real fluorescent lights like this in your basement. Yeah. Thanks for watching.